Today, we are going to talk about how you're going to get a minimum of 200 grams of protein in a day. I've actually been cooking. I've done some pre-production. I have a beautiful spread of food laid out here for your eyes to see. But we are going to go over every single meal piece by piece. We're going to talk about the macros. We're going to talk about the calories. Of course, because this is a protein video, we're going to talk about the protein, and we're going to get you on track to hitting your 200 gram of protein target a day. So we're going to get right into it because we've got no time to waste. You've got to hit the gym. The first meal of the day is always breakfast, and I'm a big believer in having a good, full, nutritious breakfast. My breakfast of choice here, we've got 4 eggs, we've got 3 ounces of breakfast sausage, and we've got cheese. Now, for the base of this diet, it's going to be about 2,300 calories a day, and we're actually going to go way above 200 grams of protein. We're going to try to hit 250 because I always say that more is better. But you can feel free to add calories or add protein if you are a bigger person. 2,300 calories a day won't sustain me. I'm almost 6'4" and I'm 240 pounds, so I'm going to want to top it up. So like with something like this, maybe I add a couple of eggs, maybe I add some sausage, maybe I add some cheese. But this base meal right here, you're looking at about 46 grams of protein, 50 grams of fat, and the whole thing comes to about 680 calories. So that starts your day with a massive feed of protein and a massive feed of healthy fat and calories to fuel your day. One more thing that people always ask me with the omelet, you can feel free to add a condiment. If you're not worried about calories, you can go with ketchup. I absolutely love ketchup. If you are worried about calories though, my number one choice is Frank's Red Hot Sauce. It's got 0 calories, it's delicious, but it's a common question. And you'd be surprised by dousing your stuff in ketchup, if you are trying to stay lean, if you are on a diet, how much little calories can add up on a day-to-day basis like this. All right, so our first meal's done. We are done with our breakfast. And now I always have a midday snack. I try to take in some source of protein every 2 to 3 hours. If I don't do that, it makes it impossible to hit my protein goals. But there's a problem with all this, right? I live a life on the go. I've got 3 kids, I've got a wife, I've got a job, I've got to do editing, I've got to train. I don't always have time for a sit-down meal. So that's why I rely on Quest protein bars. Now this is a Stacks protein bar. This one right here, this is a standard Quest protein bar, chocolate chip cookie dough. I love both the flavors, but both of these bars are absolutely fabulous. The Stacks bar has 20 grams of protein, and let me look up the calories for you here. We've got 220 calories. It's absolutely delicious. This one here has 21 grams of protein, and I believe it has, I'm just gonna fact check, 190 calories. So a super low calorie way to get in protein. And I gotta tell you, the best part about these things, I'm actually gonna have a bite right now because I can't resist because they are that good. This is literally the best tasting protein bar I've ever had. And a lot of times when I'm dieting and eat the same type of foods day after day after day, I get bored. This puts a little bit of fun back into the equation. It feeds my sweet tooth. That's pretty good. Next meal, great lunch, but also great for meal prep. I really shouldn't talk with my mouth full, but I couldn't say no to that Quest bar. This right here is just ground beef and rice. My kids call this monster mash. It's 93.7 ground beef. It's just standard white rice. For this dish here, 6 ounces of the ground beef, you're looking at 52 grams of protein, and you're looking at about 580 calories. Now, with the ground beef, it can be high in fat, it can be low in fat. A lot of times when I want more calories in my diet, I'll use Wagyu ground beef or even 80-20 to get more calories. But if you're trying to keep it lean, go with the 93.7. It's absolutely perfect. And the best part of this is here, I'm gonna close this up. This makes for perfect meal prep. If you live a life on the go, if you're working, if you gotta take your lunch somewhere, this is perfect. Just a little glass Tupperware container and you are done. So a perfect lunch to fuel your day. Also, feel free to dress it up a little bit. Use some sauce, condiments, or add some avocado. Absolutely delicious. Next snack. Now keep in mind, we've had 3 pretty full meals today. One of the things I love about eating like this, you are always going to feel full. The afternoon, that's my busiest time of the day with all my work tasks. So I need something that can satisfy an on-the-go lifestyle. And that's why my go-to is a Quest RTD protein shake. This thing here for only 230 calories. Let me remind you, that's almost nothing. You get 45 grams of high bioavailability protein. The best part, they've got different flavors. You can actually see I'm just stacked out with all the Quest products here, but the vanilla, the strawberry, the chocolate, they're absolutely all unreal. And as a bonus, sometimes what I'll do, if I actually find myself at home and I don't have to be on the road, I'll actually pour one of these into a blender. I'll add a frozen banana. If I want something a little more dessert style, I'll add some peanut butter. If I want something that's a little more refreshing, I add some frozen berries. It's a way to get some extra calories, some extra nutrition, and it's absolutely delicious. This is honestly one of my go-to food items. I drink 1 to 2 of these a day. All right, the next meal, this is dinner. Look at this. This looks delicious. One of my favorite things on the planet. We have a steak. In this case, I'm eating ribeye. You want to stick to the calorie plan, though. You might want to go sirloin, as ribeye is higher in fat. And I have my favorite green. I've got some arugula and I've got some Parmesan cheese. I absolutely love Parmesan cheese. Really, really high in protein, shockingly high. For 100 grams, you'll get 35 to 38 grams of protein. It's why you see people make Parmesan protein snacks, if you will. But insanely high in protein and also really, really delicious. I've got no dressing on here. Obviously, if I'm not worried about calories, I would add some olive oil. Now, before I get to the calorie breakdown and the protein, let's talk a little bit for a minute about why you need protein. And there's a couple of reasons I want to eat a high protein diet. I'm actually going to give you the 3 most simple ones. 1, you want to build muscle. That's how your muscles are going to grow, if you will, eating more protein. And every guy I know, especially guys in their 40s, want to be jacked, want to be strong. They want to look like The Rock. They want to look like Sly Stallone. They want to look like Jason Statham in The Meg. Protein is your ticket. Number 2, just for overall health, most of your bodily processes run on protein. So a healthy body needs a good amount of protein for all kinds of stuff, all right? Now, the third thing would be feeling full. Eating a high protein diet helps you feel full. One of the biggest reasons people put on unwanted weight is they don't eat enough protein and then they feel a void and they've got to fill that somehow. So they fill it with all kinds of sugary treats or carbohydrates and they go way over on their carbohydrate total. There's actually been some studies done. People who eat a high fat, high protein diet are completely satiated at the end of the day. People who eat a high carb diet, low protein and low fat, they end up starving at the end of the day. So those are the reasons that you want to pay attention. Now, back to this meal. If you do this with sirloin, and keep in mind, I have ribeye. I'm a big guy. I want more calories. These days, I'm eating between 4,000 and 5,000 calories a day, but to stick to the 2,300 calorie a day diet that we're talking here, with, like I said, this is going to add up to about 250 grams of protein. This rate here, you're looking at 60 grams plus of protein. I think it's actually 66, and you're looking at 580 calories. So a massive amount of protein for a low amount of calories. And listen, this isn't diet food. You are not suffering. If you come to my house and eat, and you have a delicious steak like this, and you have some fresh arugula from the garden, some fresh Parmesan, and some really good olive oil, say imported from Italy, you are not complaining. It's absolutely fabulous. So the final meal of the day, and I gotta tell you, ever since I've been a little kid, I am absolutely huge on a bedtime snack. I never go to bed hungry, unless I'm really, really trying to lean out, but I'm not. And how I round out my day, it's delicious. It actually tastes like a dessert. It's low-fat Greek yogurt with a handful of berries. Now, for this, you're gonna get about 20 grams of protein. You're gonna get about 180 calories. I don't really measure my berries in a cup. I grab a handful and throw them in, but it's delicious. It tastes unreal. If you wanna add a little bit of sweet to it, feel free to add a little bit of honey. That's gonna push you over that 2,300 calories. But like I said, I'm not on a diet. I'm just trying to give you all the angles. So that right there, that will give you 250 50 grams of protein. We went way over the 200 mark, all right? I would always rather have more than less, and that's with only 2,300 calories. So don't tell me that you can't eat a high protein diet off low calories. This is relatively low calories, and you are getting an insane amount of protein, and you are feeling extremely full. But we are not done yet, because sometimes I really, really want a treat. So I'm actually going to show you one of my favorite treats here. Let me grab a plate. And this is one of the best things in the world. So these Quest protein chips, they are unreal. There's 19 grams of protein a bag for only 140 calories. When I feel like I want a treat, when I want to get some extra calories, when I want to get some extra protein, I might top it up. I will put these chips on a plate like this. I will grab a really good high quality cheese. In this case, I've got some Tillamook, but listen, I am not eating gas station nachos and cheese. These are high end. I will sprinkle these with cheese. Put these in the microwave, have a side of salsa. They are insane. It's my go-to snack. Like I said, when I want something savory, when I want something delicious, when I need some extra calories, I want some extra protein. So just another snack option for you. Absolutely delicious. So there you have it. How to eat 200 grams of protein a day. And it's easier than you think if you pick the right foods. And like I said, you are not suffering. You eat like this, you are eating like a king. You will enjoy every single minute of it. Now do me a favor. I'm in actual My Kitchen at Home. This is the realest fitness content you will get. No hacks, no gimmicks, no 3 easy payments of $9.99. I actually eat the food. I live it. It's stuff I eat every single day. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you get a membership to the channel, and get in the comments and tell me how many grams of protein you eat a day. I'd love to hear from you.